Hey guys, ready to learn how to make money on Rewards.com using Share a Link? Rewards Share a Link is a fantastic way to earn rewards cash when others shop using your link. How do you create a link and start making money today? To get started, sign up for Rewards.com. If you're not logged in or haven't signed up yet, check out the features of Share a Link here. After seeing how easy Share a Link is to use, quickly sign up for an account. Now if you go back to the Share a Link page, it will look a little different. That's because you have signed in now and haven't added any stores yet. Go to the All Stores page and you will notice little hearts in the list for each store. If the hearts are gray, you haven't added them to your curated list of stores. Click the heart and it will turn red. Then you know it's in your list of favorites. Go back to the Share a Link page and you will see all the stores you've chosen. You can share a generated page of all the stores you shop at. To set it up correctly, make sure you fill in the title section to title your page. Also, fill in the personalized message about your page, and it will display on your personal page. Just click the copy link button and paste it into the blog post, social media, or message to anyone looking to shop online. When people follow your link and pay for their items, you get a percentage of the sale. You can also share an individual link for any store in your list. Share with all your friends and family, and they will help you earn when they shop for the things they already want or need. There's no limits on what you can earn using Share a Link.